Hello everyone, welcome to my first how to draw video. We are going to be drawing today potted tulips because it's the first day of spring. So I thought it would be a fitting first start. So this is our finished product. This is what it's going to look like. So I'm going to walk you through how to get to this point. All right. So you will need paper. I'm using my sketchbook. You'll need a pencil and an eraser because we will be erasing parts of things. So what you're going to start with is you are going to make kind of an oval with a point at the top. Almost like a teardrop, but more of an egg shaped. All right, so that's what it's going to start off with. Next, we're going to start adding petals. So I'm going to draw a line out like this. And then I'm going to bring up my curve around to meet the bottom. So it meets nicely at the bottom there. Then I'm going to draw a line up here, like that, kind of like a little mountain. And now half of my flower is done. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to draw my line out here. And then I'm going to curve it on down and meet at the bottom again. Make that little mountain shape up there. And our first flower, our first petals on our flower are done. So next we're going to add our stem. So I'm going to bring our stem down. We're going to have one side a little bit longer than the other just so that it helps us with making our leaves. So our next step, we're going to start almost at the base of the stem up by the flower, over a little bit, and we're going to bring it down. Make sure to hit both of the parts of the stem and then kind of curve it on down. And then we're going to go back up to the point and we're just going to curve it down to the bottom again. And we have one leaf. Our next leaf, we're going to do the same thing kind of on the other side. I'm going to start up a little bit farther, take it up to a point, and then bring it on down so that it meets with the other one. Now we're going to start working on the pot for our plant. So at the base down here, you're going to start off by drawing a kind of a curved line for the pot. And then you're going to have kind of curved lines going down like that on either side, kind of making a little like canoe shape and following the same line at the bottom right there. Next, we're going to take lines down all the way to the bottom. You want to go in a little bit from where you ended your top part, just because that's how a pot looks. And then we're going to make a curve at the bottom because it is going to be a three-dimensional looking pot, not two-dimensional. All right. So now we are going to start working on our next flower, our next tulip. On the left side, you're going to make a big U shape, just like that. And the petals on this one are going to look a little bit different, so make sure to pay attention at this part. So we're going to go from this left one, and we're just going to kind of bring it around and make a little leaf kind of shape for a petal. And then with our other part of our U, our other side, we're just going to take it and we're just going to kind of stay close. Just kind of bring it in. Just like a little spear looking part on it. Now we're going to connect them by doing a little mountain shape again. So we're going to go up and we're going to go back down, make another petal. And then we're going to connect these two in the middle here with another mountain shape. And then one last mountain shape over here. And now we have our petals. So next we're going to add our stem for this one again. So we're going to bring it down. Again, making one of them longer than the other just to make it easier to do our leaves. This leaf is going to be a little bit different, so it's going to make it look like it's a little like folded over, like it's kind of wilted a little bit, so you can kind of see the top part and the bottom part. So we're going to go from the other leaf, going to go up, and we're going to kind of just do a little curvy shape. And from this point over here, we're going to go back all the way over here, not connecting it quite all the way to the other leaf. And then we're going to go about halfway between the point and where it connects, and we're going to bring it all the way down, kind of in a curve to the pot at the bottom. I'm going to add one more leaf up here, so we're going to go up, and then we're going to go over and make sure to jump over that stem, make it that 3D effect. All right, so now we are going to make our next flower. So we're going to do another U shape over here, just like that. And we're going to do our petals pretty much close to the same as we did in our last one. So we're going to take it from over here, and we're going to just curve it on down to the bottom, kind of in the middle. And then we're going to take this one, and we're going to curve it down to meet with that one. I'm going to do another mountain type spike over here to connect them in the middle, and then do another mountain in each of the middle of those. So now we have our last tulip is made, its petals. Now we're going to add our last stem. So we're going to bring it down, and then our second one's going to be slightly shorter this time, not longer, because that's how our leaves are going to go on this one. So we're going to take our leaf out, and again this is going to look like a folded over one. Take it over like that, bring it down in a slight curve, and then we're going to connect them. And then we're going to take here, about halfway where it folds over, we're going to bring it down all the way to over here, just so that it kind of connects with the rest of the leaves. I'm going to make one more leaf just to kind of bring it all together. I'm going to start over here, bring it over the last stem, and then bring it back down. Now to finish off the pot, since we have all of our leaves done, we got to add that curve on the back just to make it look three-dimensional, not two-dimensional. And there you have it. That is your potted tulips. So now you can take a Sharpie or a dark marker and you can outline all of the lines. And then you can use it as a coloring sheet, or you can leave it the way it is. That's up to you. Don't make sure to sign it at the bottom. My signature is CC. That's what I always put on all of my artwork. So thanks for watching. That is potted tulips. See you in the next video.